start with Bay series. As you know, we have some letters in Bay, which are Bay, Pe, Te, Te, Se, and then Noon. So, and Alif and Noon are do not belong to this series, but we have, for the sake of simplicity and to make it more convenient for you, we have added these letters to this series. So we start with Alif. It's just one line from top to bottom, Alif, and then we have Be. So let's see how I write it. See, I start from this point, move along the way, uh, along the line, and then little bit upper side from the left side. Be. We have one dot in it. One another thing is, in Urdu script we have two main parts. One is placeholder, and the other thing is a symbol that defines this placeholder or identifies a specific sound with this placeholder. So we have alif, and then we have be, and then pay, three dots in pay. Then we have te. Te has two dots above it. Then we have te. Te has a small V-like shape above it. And then we have say. Say has three dots above it. And in the last we have noon. Noon is this way. Noon is more like a cup-like shape. So in base series like Bay, Pe, Te, Te, and Say, we have more like a boat-like shape, but in Noon we have a cup-like shape or tub-like shape, and then we have one dot in it. So this is it. This is base series. These are all the letters in base series according to my script course, Urdu script course. For more videos, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also join me on Patreon. You can find the link in the description. See you in the next video.